This community knew it was under threat in Pakistan, but to have dozens of its men and boys gunned down as they prayed was far beyond the worst fears of most here. Anisa Munawar lost her 17-year-old son in the attack. She lived through his ordeal with him over the phone.
Walid called us from the mosque. He told us about the gunmen and all the injured people. When he called again, he said the attackers were coming to where he was hiding. Then the line went dead.
Nearly 100 others were killed when 2 packed mosques of the minority Ahmadi sect were stormed by militants. They roamed freely for hours. Children were among those who were shot dead at close range. Well, this is the entrance to an area where the vast majority of people are Ahmadi. But just over the last couple of weeks, these security barriers have cropped up, as well as barbed wire and perimeter walls. And that's because, far from receiving the type of sympathy they'd expect after the horrific attack on their community, the people here say they've had more death threats. There have been statements from clerics declaring Ahmadis non-Muslims and deserving of death. Many Pakistanis agree. That's why Aftab, who escaped the attack but saw many die right here, is afraid to reveal his identity. I'm so sad and angry, he says. Some said they were proud of the killers. Others handed out sweets to celebrate. Not even our neighbours came to pay their condolences. Just because we're Ahmadi doesn't mean we're not human. They're not the only minority that's been attacked in the last year. More than 40 Shia Muslims were killed in an explosion in one of their religious processions. And 8 members of the same Christian family were burned to death by a Muslim mob. Pakistan's laws mean those accused of insulting Islam can be severely punished. Human rights groups think that encourages these attacks by the Sunni Muslim majority, and the religious laws should be scrapped. The government says that would be dangerous.
Majority would feel very uncomfortable. When the people are not comfortable, they take law into their own hands and they do whatever they want to do in the light of their passions.
The idea the religious laws somehow stop attacks on minorities is something you won't convince these people of. They are, instead, living in fear of the next massacre. Aleem Maqbool, BBC News, in the Punjabi town of Rabwa.